Okay, the first thing I want to do is tell everybody that you're not going to be successful if you're lazy, okay? This program, like any other business or any other job, if you will, that you can imagine, is not for lazy people, okay? If you're lazy, then Viral Rewards is not for you, all right? Now, if you want to make money in a short period of time and you're not lazy, then Viral Rewards is going to be perfect for you. Let's take a look. Now, within Viral Rewards, we have 3 six-figure opportunities, okay? The instant commissions you'll earn for promoting these 15 apps will generate 6 figures every single year. Likewise, when people decide to copy this free site from you, you're going to earn money from the Powered Lead system, okay? The Powered Lead system is the backbone of our business. Every business is required to have a back end. Every business is required to have a website, so that's going to be hosting. Every business is required to have an autoresponder service, okay? Why not get paid for yours, all right? That's why we use the Powered Lead system, and that's going to be our second six-figure opportunity. The third six-figure opportunity is Freedom Dollar. Every business is required to buy traffic. Am I correct? Okay, so why not get paid from your traffic provider? It's a no-brainer. For a one-time cost of $30 and $1 every single month, you get that money from the $140 you earn by trying the free apps. So you pocket $110 and you spend $30, okay? None of this is out of pocket for you, okay? We've showed you how to earn the money to build your business, okay? Now, the important thing to remember is that Freedom Dollar is also a six-figure opportunity. But in this coaching tutorial, we're only going to focus on the Powered Lead system, okay? And the Powered Lead system is free for everyone for the first 7 days. Our goal is to get 3 signups within the first 7 days, okay? And that makes the Powered Lead system free for life. Now, you're watching this tutorial because I said, what is the #1 secret for internet marketing success? Let me tell you what that is really quickly, okay? It's not a mystery, but it's the truth. The secret to any internet marketing success is consistency, okay? That is the secret. But consistency is not good enough all alone. You also have to have a good plan, okay? Consistency with a good plan equals money, okay? A lot of money. It equals internet marketing success. Without the two, you're not going to be successful, and that's why so many people try internet marketing and they fail, okay? #1, they're not consistent, and #2, they don't have a good plan in place. That being said, let me show you more about consistency in the rest of this tutorial. Okay, so let's take a look at our slide here, and our keyword is consistent. What does it mean? It means acting or done in the same way over a period of time, especially so as to be fair or accurate, okay? So you want to be accurate, and you want to do the same thing, and you want to do it the same way over a set period of time, okay? Now, it says especially so as to be fair. Who are you going to be fair to? Yourself, okay? So don't cheat yourself. Don't be lazy, okay? And don't take shortcuts. There's only 2 steps to this entire system, okay? And a 7th grader can do it. Now, when you read consistent, it says you're going to do or act the same way over time. You need to know your timeline, okay? This is how you set your goal, all right? Now, we know our first objective is to get 3 signups, 3 referrals for the Powered Lead system, because once the business is free, then you can spend all the time you want building it up, okay? Now, you're going to start out free for 7 days. You're going to set up in under 10 minutes. You're going to do your first blast. And the goal is to get 3 referrals to the Powered Lead system within the first 7 days. So the Powered Lead system is free for life. However, what if you only get 1 or 2? Does that mean you quit? No. If you quit, you're not going to be successful, okay? You have to be consistent. To succeed means to continue, okay? Succession, succeed, it's all in the word. If you quit, that means you did not continue. So how can you succeed if you did not continue, all right? Succeed is kind of like proceed. You have to continue moving forward if you want to be successful, okay? Now, let's take a look at our graphic here. This is what you'll find when you sign up for your free trial for the PowerLead system. This is you. You refer 4, and you're going to get paid $20 per month for each one. However, this pay line is infinite width, okay? So you could have 10,000 people, all right? However, if one of your referrals, in this example, we'll use Joe, his pay line grows to $1,000 per month, you're going to make $500, half of that every single month, okay? So when I say consistent, we need to set a time, okay? The first goal is to stay or remain consistent until you get 3 referrals for the PowerLead system. After that time period, the business is free, your traffic is already paid for, it's a one-time payment of $30, so you let the business run on complete autopilot. Now look what happens in only 2 years, okay? If you can remain consistent, get 25 team members every single year for 2 years. That equals 50 team members, okay? Now, that's only 2 team members per month, okay? Now, 50 team members times $20 monthly is how Joe earned the $1,000 monthly. And that's how you'll earn $1,000 every single month. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Let's look at the rest of the iceberg. How do you retire in only 2 years? Because I don't know of any career, any trade, or any business that you could start that's going to help you retire in 2 years, okay? Now, how much does college cost? How much does starting a brick and mortar business cost? How much does starting an internet marketing business cost, okay? Compare it to Viral Rewards, which is absolutely free, all right? Because we help you get the $140, and that covers your traffic, and your hosting and your websites are free, already done for you, made by yours truly. All you have to do is sign up for the free trial for the PowerLead system and get started, okay? Now, the average American earns less than $5,000 per month. That's a fact, okay? And that would be $60,000 per year. However, if only 10 of your team members get $1,000 monthly, you'll earn $5,000 monthly in bonus checks, okay? Plus the $1,000 you already earned for referring them. That's a total of $6,000 every single month. In only 2 years, you could retire. What is that going to look like in 5 years? Okay, I don't know, maybe $15,000, $20,000 per month. Just remain consistent. That is the key. Now let's take a look at our other slides. Slide number 2. Like I said, it takes more than being consistent if you want to be successful with internet marketing or any other business. You have to have a good plan in place, okay? Failing to plan is planning to fail by Alan Lakin. However, I believe it's Benjamin Franklin who first quoted that. Let's understand what makes a good plan when it comes to internet marketing. Okay, now as your coach, and I don't like to use the word coach or guru or anything like that, but that's exactly what I'm doing right now. I'm coaching you, even though it's absolutely free. I could charge for this. I could charge $297, $497 for this. Very easy, okay? Because this information that I'm sharing with you comes from experience, okay? 19 years of experience, in fact, and I'm going to tell you some things that a lot of people might tell you, but for the most part, if they're selling you products and software and all kinds of shiny objects, they're not going to tell you anything when you spend $19.97, okay, for their course or for their funnel or for their platform. Now, let's continue. The first thing you need to know if you want to be successful with internet marketing and you're brand new, part of your plan must include digital products, okay? This is for the newbie. Why digital products? Because they cost much less than physical products, giving you much better profit margins, okay? This is not like e-com or anything like that where you're going to sell something over and over and over again and make very little profits. This is not like affiliate marketing where you're going to sell something over and over again and make 10 cents on the dollar, okay? Okay, you want to promote or refer digital products, and the digital products that we are promoting will be the 15 apps, all digital, the PowerLead system, a digital product, Freedom Dollar, another digital product. However, like I said, we're only focused on the PowerLead system for right now. So this is the digital product I want you to focus on right now. Let's continue. Like I said, you want to promote digital products because they cost much less than physical products, giving you much better profit margins. Why? Number one, no materials or manufacturing is required for a digital product, okay? Number two, no warehousing, okay? And number 3, no shipping. All of that money that you save becomes profit for you. To make a digital product literally costs pennies on the dollar because all you are doing is using a computer server, and you have someone that's going to make graphics and you have someone that's going to write code. Once they're paid, you can continue selling this product over and over again, and it's going to cost you pennies on the dollar, and you're going to make hundreds of dollars, okay? The best profit margins you can imagine in any business, okay? So you want to stay digital, all right? The next thing you want to plan for is for your business to have recurring payments, okay? You do not want a business like e-com where you're going to sell once and then have to make that same sale over and over again. And the reason why I suggest you stay away from e-com is because if you have not been doing e-com already, it's going to be hard for you to compete with someone who's been doing e-com for the last 7, 8, even 10 years, all right? They have a lot more money they're going to throw at traffic. Traffic for e-com is very expensive. That's either going to be SEO traffic or free traffic from social media management, which is not free, okay? Yes, social media is free, but social media management is not free. The bots are not working anymore. They're just going to work to get your accounts banned. Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, everybody's cracking down on bots. Not only that, okay, another big part of your plan, you want to get paid by recurring payments, okay? You want to get paid over and over again for making a sale only once, all right? That's going to save you a lot of time, and that's going to save you a lot of money on ad spend trying to make a new sale. Why do we want to make new sales over and over and over again, okay? Like you would with a physical product like e-com or anything like that, or even some digital products. Why would you want to sell the same software over and over again? Why not find products that people need to pay for every single month, all right? And that's why we have chosen the PowerLead system, because hosting and autoresponder service is something that businesses pay for every single month. Also, traffic is something else a business is going to have to pay for every single month, so we chose Freedom Dollar as well. You'll receive recurring payments from the PowerLead system, $20 every single month per referral, and you're going to receive $1 per referral from Freedom Dollar, okay? That's the recurring payment model from Freedom Dollar, not the one-time payment of $30. You'll receive that one-time payment as well, as Freedom Dollar pays off 100%, okay? Which is excellent. The reason why we have the $1 per month for Freedom Dollar is because we want that compensation plan. We want to get paid every single month from all of our referrals, because you're going to make $1 from every referral they make as well. So let's continue. Another great plan you want to have in place is a passive income system. Now, the emphasis is on system, but you do want your system to include passive income, okay? That's because we're in the digital realm, all right? We do not need to speak or make presentations to anyone at any time. A done-for-you system will have videos in place and banners or infographics in place, which will guide every single body you refer. A passive income system only requires you to copy and paste links to get set up and then share your link to make money, all right? Get a fully automated system to earn you commissions while you sleep. Why do you want a passive income system? Because number 1, there are no tech skills required. Simply copy and paste your affiliate links. Number 2, no time required. Set it up once, then let your traffic service do all of the work. And that's why we have selected Freedom Dollar to be our traffic service provider, okay? Because they're going to do all of the work. That makes this a 100% passive income system for you. Now, let's take a look at systems a little further as they relate to planning, okay? Because a lot of people that have failed in internet marketing, they did not come in with the intentions of failing. They just didn't have a good plan. And why didn't they have a good plan? Because they were never coached or trained to have a good plan. So a lot of people jumped in with e-com. A lot of people jumped in with affiliate marketing. A lot of people jump into MLM, and they are not successful because they don't have these 3 elements in place, all right? When you find a system that has everything you're looking for, you want to stick with that system, okay? That's how you're going to be consistent, all right? You do not want to jump from system to system to system to system. That's the shiny object syndrome. A lot of newbies make that mistake, and that's why they're not successful with internet marketing. Now, let's take a look at our last slide, and we can conclude this brief but very powerful coaching in training lesson. All right, let's continue. Now let's read the quote. Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. Helen Keller. That's right, everybody. Teamwork makes the dream work when it comes to internet marketing or any network marketing opportunity, because you're in a network. All right, so you can be successful, but if your downline is not successful, then you're not going to be successful. Okay, so we're not looking for great salesmen or saleswomen. All right, great systems make sales, not people. All right, so let's take a look at our system, and this is why our system is the best, the absolute best, hands down. What makes a great system? A system has to be easy to use. That means no speaking or talking to people to get your referrals, because you can be a great speaker, all right, but you can have a referral who's very, very shy, all right, and they're not going to do as well. That means they're going to quit. That means you have attrition, and now instead of success, you're looking at failure, all right. Now, if you're going to remain consistent, you want to be rewarded for your efforts. That means we want a system that's easy for everyone to use, a system that helps everyone make referrals on complete autopilot. Our system is done for you. So let's take a look at Viral Rewards so you can understand exactly what I'm saying. Okay, when you come into Viral Rewards, the first thing you'll notice, and the first thing that everyone else will notice, is that we have all of the how-to videos flashing in red, all right? So our system is completely done for you. You never have to speak or give presentations. All you have to do is share your link. That person is going to come in, click on the how-to video in every section, and learn all of the ins and outs of the entire system in under minutes, okay? That's training by itself, all right? Not only that, we have 50 hot landing pages and banners already done for you with 5 new sites every single month. Everyone's going to understand that all of the work has been done for them. They're going to use our share code to set up their system in under 10 minutes, and then they're going to send a link to their favorite landing page to Freedom Dollar and begin traffic every single month. The $30 is going to give you 15,000 visitors, and $1 every month is going to get you the login ads. I recommend everyone to follow the system as it is in place. That's why we call it a system. So your success is guaranteed. All right. Like I said, this is not for lazy people. You do want to come in and join all 15 of the apps. Don't be lazy. It's only one term or condition you have to follow. Do it. You know the money is on the way. All of these are the top apps in the world. They're very trustworthy companies with millions of users. They're looking for tens of millions of users, and that's how we make our money. So when you come in, the how-to videos. So our system is 100% done for you. You never have to speak or make a presentation at any time. Okay, let's continue with the slide. What makes a system great? It's easy to use. No speaking or talking to people to get referrals. Number 2, you want a system that has built-in cash incentives or other bonuses that's going to get you more leads and referrals, okay? So you want a system that has a lot of value, a lot of monetary value. You want a high-end system, all right? That's because you're going to remain consistent and you're going to work this system until you become successful. So why do you want a garbage funnel? All right, when you take a look at the funnels and they say we have done for you landing pages, and you look at the landing pages and it looks like PLR garbage, okay, or turnkey junk, something that you know when you share, you're going to feel embarrassed because the graphics are very cheap, outdated, there are no videos, you know, it just looks like a cheap or poor product and you're very ashamed to promote it. You're not going to be consistent with a system like that because you don't believe in it. All right. You want a system that's hot. You want a system that makes everybody smile as soon as they take a look at it and say, hey, this is a nice looking website. This is a beautiful landing page. What is this all about? And then they read your offer and you're making them an offer that they can't refuse because you're giving away free cash, vacations, and other bonuses like free traffic, etc., etc. They're going to be all in. OK, you should never be ashamed of promoting a system like that. Why are you ashamed when you're giving away cash? You're not asking people to take anything out of their wallets or even take their wallets out for that matter. All right. You're putting cash in their pockets simply by promoting or sharing information about the hottest apps in the world. All right. Now let's continue. You want a system that's easy to duplicate and set up for the guaranteed success of your referrals. Like I said, teamwork makes the dream work. You could be a great salesman or a sales lady and make a lot of referrals, but you want a system that's easy to duplicate, no tech skills, copy and paste easy, set up in under 10 minutes, and that's going to guarantee the success of your referrals, all right? Now, you also look for a system that has passive income by using a traffic service that'll do all of the heavy lifting, okay? You want a system that you can afford, all right? And that's going to go into what makes a system great, easy to afford, the second section. Number one, you want a system that's free for everyone to get started. That's because you have tire kickers out there. A lot of people don't want to spring money if they don't know how great the service or product is, or if the product or service is going to earn them money. So you want them to get started for free. And that helps you make 6 or 7 figures, believe it or not, okay? Now, if you can't get someone to try something for free, it's because they think that, oh, it's free, it doesn't have any value. That's why we have all of the eye candy and the very high-end landing pages in place, so people can see the quality of our work and know that it's valuable even though it's free, all right? And that's what makes Viral Rewards one of the best systems you're going to find. You have built-in graphics from a professional graphic designer, yours truly, and web developer. I also write code, yours truly. I put together all of these pages using both graphics and code, so you don't have to, okay? All you have to do is copy and paste the landing pages and you're ready to go. If you wanted to duplicate my efforts, you would have to learn a little bit about HTML5, a little JavaScript, and you have to learn how to make professional graphics and to make those graphics lightweight so your pages can load very quickly. You don't have to worry about all of that. It's 100% done for you. Likewise, your referral will never have to worry about any of that. It's 100% done for them, which makes it easy for you to make that 6 or 7 figures as long as you remain consistent, okay? Now, last but not least, you want free and cheap, high quality traffic, okay, for the life of the business. I can't tell you how many new internet marketers make the mistake. They want to make money on the internet. They jump in. They're ready to go. They roll up their sleeves only to find that they don't have the money for their traffic source that they're using. Facebook ads is very expensive and Google SEO is very expensive on a monthly basis, all right? And if you're going to buy traffic using Twitter ads, Pinterest ads, ads from Instagram, etc., those are all very expensive sources. Yes, they work, but only after you have the ball rolling, so to speak, all right? That's arbitrage. You're going to have to take in more income than what you're spending out for traffic. Unfortunately, many bloggers, many affiliate marketers, many people who set up e-com shops do not recognize this, and they go broke and they run out of money on traffic before they start to generate an income, and they're out of business. They fail. That's why I say you have to have the right plan in place, and the only way you're going to have the right plan in place is if you have the right coaching. Someone who tells you straightforward what works and what will not work and why, okay? I don't beat around the bush. I'm not trying to string you along because I'm selling an expensive coaching program for $19.97. That's how those people make their money. I am an affiliate marketer. I only make my money when you make money. I only make my money by building teams. Teamwork makes the dream work, and I'm giving you all the information that I know and the best quality product so you can make a lot of money, which will in turn help me make a lot of money. I hope you understand that that's how it works, and that's why I'm giving you all of this valuable insider information absolutely free. That's why I built the landing pages for you absolutely free. That's why I'm doing all of the hand holding, okay? I want you to make 6 or 7 figures from internet marketing starting today. All you have to do is remain consistent because we already have a great plan for you in place. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.